Good evening, everybody. This is Taylor with Game Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Friday, September 2nd. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you've done so. Let's move on. Here we have the Tick ARCX model, or sorry, Tick US model. Long-term moving average ribbon continues to invert. This is bearish. Cumulative tick. We're trending below the short-term moving average. Saw a little bit of an uptick in the afternoon today. However, nothing to write home about yet. First sign we want to see for the bulls is for this cumulative tick to get above the short-term moving average ribbon. The moving average ribbon then start to uninvert, we get the railroad tracks look higher and then start to flirt with the long-term moving average ribbon. However, we are a good ways from that happening. Looking at the filter tick, we saw some sustained selling pressure throughout most of the session. In the afternoon, we were flat to slightly up. Again, nothing to write home about there in the afternoon. And then new lows significantly outpaced new highs. So we did have a little bit of a bounce this afternoon, but again, from a kind of holistic structure basis, nothing's really changed yet. Here we have the Tick ARCX model. The one big thing to call out is the red moving average ribbon crossed below the cyan. So this turns off all of our signals now. We have none of the four active. Again, short-term cumulative tick, same that we just discussed with the US. So again, here not a very constructive look. Here we have our Gamma Dash from this morning. We called out in the room how kind of 390 to 400 were the goalposts for the day. 390 being negative GEX. We've seen it many times. We trade down a negative GEX. This is a great risk reward spot for a long. I know a lot of the people in the room were talking about it and took it. And kind of away we went back to that 395, kind of a textbook trade there. Just rounding things out real quick, line in the sand, 400, big level right there. Upside target's 420, downside target, again, we met today at 390. So here, this is just a price action with gamma overlaid, just what we were talking about. Had a lot of chop here this morning, traded down to 390. This was negative GEX. This is a great risk reward spot, saying that because you'll know quickly if you're right or wrong. From here, had a nice move up to 395, another significant level, a lot of price interaction this last week. So again, kind of a textbook trade you could have taken there. Yeah, not a ton else to say here. Lastly, we have the SPY daily chart. Not a ton to say that already hadn't been said the last couple of weeks. 410, you all know the relevance of that. Talking about yesterday, we're kind of in no man's land right now. Kind of waiting until we get to a kind of a better spot in the range to take a trade on this frame. However, like we were saying yesterday, just because this time frame may not be something doesn't mean on an intraday time basis like we saw today that trades are not presented using the tools that we have. So again, just something to think about. So just recapping real quick, despite the kind of rally we had today, really ticking gamma haven't changed a ton. So obviously that's a great trade if you made that today. But yeah, still focus on what the tools are saying. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Would appreciate a like on this video, helps us with the algo. If you're interested in learning more about us, not currently a member, GammaEdge.us, offering a free 2-week trial. All of our tools would be turned on for you. Come in, ask questions, interact with various members. Would love to have you. Gamma Edges is our Twitter too. So with that, I'll leave y'all and best of luck tomorrow. I'll talk to you this weekend.